Hello students, welcome again to my channel Bhatia Classes. This is my next video of the chapter 2, 2.3 and the chapter name is polynomial. Here you can see with these two examples, these sums are based upon the divide. I will start with this sum. Firstly, here is x cube and here is x square. So that will be multiplied by x cube taking negative sign. This will be cancelled out. 2 multiply x, that is minus 2x. Change the sign. Plus. Take it down. Minus 3x square. 5 plus 2, 7x. And this is minus 3. Minus 3. So this will be multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 multiply x square. That is minus 3 x square. Minus minus plus. 2 3 is a 6. Change the sign. This will be cancelled out. Take it down. 7x minus minus plus 6 3 9 and that will be of negative sign. Here x is smaller than x square. Therefore, this quantity will be as remainder and this is the answer of this sum. Now, go to the first part of second sum. In this sum, you will find out that whether gx is the factor of px or not. If you got remainder 0, then gx is the factor of px. If you got other than 0, then gx is not the factor of px. Let me start. 2t raised to power 4 and t square multiplied by 2 and then t square. You will got here 2t raised to power 4 by multiplying these two quantities. 2 3 is 6t square. Negative and plus minus minus, then by changing you got positive. This will be cancelled out. Put it down. 3t cube plus minus minus 6 minus 2 4. 6 is having plus, therefore plus. Minus 9t minus 12. 3t cube, t cube multiplied by 3 and there t, because t multiplied t square, that will be t cube plus minus minus, that will be of minus 9t. Negative, positive. Both these quantities will be cancelled out. 4t square minus 12. Here is 4. Therefore, this quantity will be multiplied by 4. 4t square minus 3 4s are 12. Negative, by changing you got plus. All this is removed. Because you got 0, therefore gx is the factor of px. Both these parts, both these sums, first and second, have 3 parts. Other 2 will be attempted by you. Third sum. Now let's do the third sum. In this sum, you have given 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 12x minus 5. The larger degree of x is 4. Therefore, you have to find 4 zeros of this equation. 2 zeros are given, root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. You have to find the other 2 zeros. Firstly, I will form an equation with root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. Earlier in the exercise 2.1, I have already told you zeros are the values of x. So I will put these values equal to x equal to root 5 by 3 and x equal to minus root 5 by 3. Take both in the left side, x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. Here you will apply the identity a minus b, a plus b. That is a square minus b square. Root will be cancelled out. X square minus 5 by 3. In this, you will see there is square and here is 4. If you divide 4 by 2, then you will get an equation which is quadratic. I will divide this equation by this. I am erasing this. I will divide this equation by x square minus 5 by 3. because this is in fraction. This divide will be difficult than others. Here is 3. X raised to power 4, x raised to power 2. Therefore, x raised to power 2. 3 x raised to power 4. Negative. 5 by 3 and 3. Do this in the rough part. Minus 5 by 3 multiply 3, you will got 5. Minus 5x square plus negative. This will be cancelled out. Take it down. 6x cube plus minus minus 5 minus 2, 3x square. Bring both down. Minus 10x minus 5. Now here is 6. You have to multiply this number by 6. 3x square plus 6. Because of the x cube, there is x square. You will multiply this by x. 6x cube. Negative. Cancel out. 5 by 3 multiply 6. Do this in the rough part. It will be easier to you. 3 multiply 2. You got minus 10x plus. This will also be cancelled out. 3x square minus 5. X square, here you can see 3. So this will be multiplied by 3. 3x square. 5 by 3, multiply 3 as we have done earlier. This will be minus 5. Minus plus. Both are cancelled out. You got 0. Now you can here see this is the quotient 3x square plus 6x plus 3, which is a quadratic equation. We have to break it or split it. 3x square plus 6x plus 3. This equation is very easy. 3 multiply 3, 9. The splitting factors are this 3x plus 3x plus 3. Here you can see 3 multiply 3, 9. And 3 plus 3, 6. Take 3x common. You got x plus 1. Again 3 common. You will got x plus 1. X plus 1. And from here 3x plus 3. For to find the zeros, put them equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. This will be x equal to minus 1. 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 are the two zeros of other two zeros of this equation. Now let's start the fourth sum. Now let's do the last sum of this exercise 2.3, sum number 4. I have written a statement here. You can also read from your book. Or dividing this quantity by a polynomial gx. The quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find the gx. I will apply the division algorithm here. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now put the values. What is dividend? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 is equal to divisor, which is not given. That is gx. Multiply quotient. That is x minus 2 and remainder. That is minus 2x plus 4. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Bring these quantities into the left side. Minus 2x will be plus 2x and plus 4 will be minus 4 is equal to gx multiply x minus 2. Now solve this. X cube minus 3x square, x and 2x, 3x, 2 minus 4 minus 2 is equal to gx multiply x minus 2. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x square minus 2. Bring that down. X minus 2 is equal to gx. Now divide this quantity by this. You will got gx and this will be done by you. That's all for this chapter. Wait for my next video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.